Hello, welcome to Key Stage 1 Singing Assembly. We're going to start by warming up by putting our hands in the air and going hello high, hello low, hello high, hello low, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello slowly, hello fast, hello slowly, hello fast, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum. Right, now, before we do all our regular songs, we've got something special to do because today is the birthday of a very special person. His name is Captain Tom and he is 100 years old today. But it's not just that. He's raised £30 million for the NHS just by walking up and down his front garden, on and on and on. And trust me, when you're 100, that's a big deal. So happy birthday, Captain Tom. Let's have a sing of happy birthday to you. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Captain Tom. Happy birthday to you. There we go. It's always nice to sing happy birthday to people, isn't it? How about doing a bit of a warm-up with our banana song? Do you remember? Bananas of the world unite. So we're going to go, bananas of the world unite. And then we're going to pick the bananas. We're going to peel the bananas. We're going to chop the bananas. We're going to mash the bananas. We're going to, what's the right word? Blend the bananas. And we're going to pour the bananas. And we're going to drink the bananas. We're going to say, go, go, bananas. And then we are going to say, bananas of the world unite. Okay, here we go. Bananas of the world unite. We're going to pick bananas. Pick, pick bananas. Peel bananas. Peel, peel bananas. Slice bananas. Slice, slice bananas. Mash bananas. Mash, mash bananas. Blend bananas. Blend, blend bananas. Pour bananas. Pour, pour bananas. Drink bananas. Drink, drink bananas. Go bananas. Go, go bananas. Bananas of the world unite. Goodness me, I was struggling to remember those words today. Right, how about we sing a little 5 Little Men in a Flying Saucer? And remember, each time one of them runs away, you've got to run around the room, get back in time for the next verse, okay? Here we go. 5 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Now run all the way around the room, quick as you can, gotta get ready to sing. 4 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Are you running all the way around the room? Maybe you need to sit down, stand up, do something really energetic. Here we go. 3 little men. 3 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Off we go. Fly around the universe. Here we go. 2 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. And dash off. Run around the room or jump up and down or do some twizzles. Doesn't matter. You ready? One one of our familiar songs. Let's see, how about some Old MacDonald? Are you ready for a bit of Old MacDonald? Should we have a cow and a dog and a pig and how about a sheep? Okay, let's see, do those ones. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. What are we going to have next? A dog. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a ruff ruff here and a ruff ruff there, here a ruff, there a ruff, everywhere a ruff ruff. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And then next there was going to be a pig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink going. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And then last of all, we were going to have a sheep. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ma-ma here and a ma-ma there, here a ma, there a ma, everywhere a ma-ma. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. There we go. How about our feeling song? Do you remember? Today I'm feeling happy, and I really don't know why. You can tell I'm feeling happy, like a bright blue sky. My feelings are my feelings, and I just like to say, today I'm feeling happy, it's a happy day. And then we do grumpy, and we do sad, and we do excited. Do you remember? The grumpy one is like a cloudy sky, and then the sad one is like a rainy sky, and the excited one is like a rainbow in the sky. Okay. Today I'm feeling happy, and I really don't know why. You can tell I'm feeling happy, like a bright blue sky. My feelings are my feelings, and I just like to say, today I'm feeling happy, it's a happy day. Today I'm feeling grumpy, and I really don't know why. You can tell I'm feeling grumpy, like a cloudy sky. My feelings are my feelings, and I just like to say, today I'm feeling grumpy, it's a grumpy day. Today I'm feeling sad, and I really don't know why. You can tell I'm feeling sad, like a rainy sky. My feelings are my feelings, and I just like to say, today I'm feeling sad, it's a sad, sad day. Today I feel excited, and I really don't know why. You can tell I feel excited, like a rainbow in the sky. My feelings are my feelings, and I just like to say, today I feel excited, it's an exciting day. There we go. Well, we better do our goodbye. We'll put our hands up in the air and we'll go Goodbye high, goodbye low. Goodbye high, goodbye low. Goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly. Goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye fast. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye fast. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye chewing gum. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye chewing gum. See you next time.